Hey everybody, just coming through with that information on logging in. So just from the library's homepage, Beck's Depression Index, I'm just going to enter that search in the World Cat directory. I was also told that you can access specific databases by following this link here, so that might be helpful going forward. Of course, there's other options. So anyway, go ahead, search for what you're looking for, and then if you're remote, they inform me. So I'm just going to put on a full text filter because I want to actually show you what we're working with here, and we want peer reviewed. Yes, so then what I was told is that once you go ahead and try to access the full text of the article, they're going to ask you for your email login information. So just the username without, as they say here, but it's the same password for your email, and then you log in, and you should be able to view the full text of the article. So I hope that that's helpful, and happy hunting.